Namaste everyone, and welcome to our third day of the 21-day meditation challenge. I hope that you've been able to practice the first 2 days and you've become a little more comfortable with your meditation practice. Now, in today's class, we are going to focus on a technique called Pratyahar, which also means focusing or withdrawing the senses inwards. All our 5 senses are constantly engaged with the outside world, and barely any time do they come inwards or look at what's happening inside us. So in today's class, we're going to aim to do just that and ask the senses to look within. So let's start with our practice. Find a comfortable space on your mat. Come into the cross-legged position. You can also sit on your chair if this is not comfortable. Once you've sat down and adjusted yourself, lengthen your spine upwards, open your chest. Sitting up tall, place your hands in Gyan Mudra at your knees. And slowly and gently allow your whole body to settle into the mat beneath you. Just imagining your body melting or sinking into the mat, but still keeping your spine straight as your body melts in. And now gently close your eyes, completely focusing the mind inwards. Take your time and try and notice what happens to you as soon as you close your eyes. We may sometimes feel a resistance from the rest of our body because it's so used to being outside. Or in fact, we might feel like we've come home, like closing your eyes feels very natural to you. So just see how you're feeling in this moment and how your body and mind are responding to your meditation practice. And now we're going to start withdrawing all our senses inwards, starting with the eyes, which we have closed, but which we also need to activate inwards. Can you take your sense of seeing and apply it within your body? Can you see the spaces in your body that feel joyful, that feel happy, and maybe some other spaces that need some more love and care? Let's try and use our mind's eye to really observe our bodies. And we can do that in silence for a few seconds, trying to see what it feels like to look within. Now, initially, it might be a little challenging to actually see anything when you look inside, but trust your body and your mind to respond over time and keep the faith. Let's now move to our next sense organ, the ears, or the sense of hearing. And right now, the ears might be picking up sounds around you, like my voice, maybe sounds of traffic, sounds of our houses, the dishes, the door, people. All of these are external sounds. And when we do Pratyahar, we take hearing inside. So see if you can hear the sound of your heartbeat, of the blood rushing through your veins and arteries, of your organs, the respiratory system, the digestive system. Sometimes we do hear our stomachs when we're hungry, but that's not the only organ which can make a slight sound and speak to us. Our entire body speaks to us, but we don't often listen. So let's really try and hear some sounds from within. And now, once you've heard a few sounds from inside, let's move to the next two sense organs, which we'll focus on together. The sense of taste with our tongues and the sense of smell with our noses. And over here, just see if you're smelling anything from the outside, any particular fragrances in your house. And how can you turn the sense of smell inwards? Picking up your own fragrance. Each of us has one, sometimes many. But can we really focus on our own fragrances or smells? Take a moment to see what you notice with a sense of smell. And then take your attention to your tongue and see if you can really taste what's already within you. You don't need to wait for food to activate the sense of taste outside. We can instead draw this sense inside and experience what's already there. Try and focus on that for the next few seconds in silence. And once you've been able to feel a little bit of taste inwards, let's move our attention to the fifth sense organ, the sense of touch, which we pretty much experience all over our bodies. And let's try and see if we can direct this sense inwards. There's a constant movement within us of organs, of blood cells, of tissues, of muscles, nerves, pranic energy. So let's see if we can feel the touch there. The way organs are placed, the way fluids are carried within each artery, vein, and within each nerve cell, each nadi. See if you can feel that deeper sensation of touch within you. And we do that in silence for a few seconds. And now, once you've been able to experience a little bit of inward touch, let's take this wonderful experience of the inward movement of the sense organs and try to apply it in moments throughout our day. We can keep checking in with ourselves, and we can guide the mind to lead the senses inwards. With that, let's move to the end of our meditation practice, checking our spine once again, sitting up really tall, opening the chest, allowing the sense organs to return back to their normal functioning, and then slowly and gently bringing your hands into a namaste at the chest. We'll end the class with 1 Om and 3 Shantis. Let's take a deep inhalation inwards. Shanti. Shanti. And gently rubbing the palms together, creating a little bit of heat or friction. And place the palms on your eyelids for some warmth. Gently release in front of your chest. Open your eyes to look at the palms. And then slowly come back with a smile on your face. Alright, so that was our meditation practice for today. I hope that you're feeling much lighter, much calmer, and that you've been able to experience what it feels like to withdraw the senses inwards. We'll be applying this technique in the upcoming meditations as well. So keep practicing and we'll see you on the mat for day 4. Until then, take care and namaste.